First of all, KOV is the world's first encrypted chat digital wallet. Social giant Facebook has been embroiled in a data abuse scandal since March 2018, when the private data of 87 million users was leaked. In a centralized network, all of our social and identity information is stored in a centralized server. Once a centralized server is attacked or exploited, our private information can be used for all kinds of business, political, and criminal activities. KOV's secret social network adopts end-to-end encryption, which distributes and anonymously transmits information through countless node blocks. Meanwhile, KOV hides users' IP addresses through I2P technology, so as to ensure the absolute security of users' privacy and information. All you have to do is create a KID and you can navigate KOV's ecological network. Each KID generates your own cryptocurrency wallet, which stores various cryptographic digital assets for secure and anonymous global payments, and applies it to various scenarios in the KOV ecosystem. Through KID and KOV's secret social network, you can invite anyone to share the KOV ecosystem, creating your own huge user base. Social networks can generate unimaginable business value. Their market value of many social giants, such as Facebook, WeChat, and Line, is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, which has been proved. It can be said that all the value generated by human society is generated directly or indirectly through social communication. Libra, the encrypted digital currency that Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, hopes to launch via Facebook, shows that he has long sensed a huge wealth opportunity. Today, the fan-based big data network generated by KOV's private social network can also generate huge commercial value, and KOV Pass will become the proof of rights and interest and the medium of circulation in various senses of the whole ecological network. What do you think its future value will be? What's more, no matter who you are or where you are qualified to participate in this KOV wave of wealth creation. KOV created the world's first perpetual cycle business model called Delta Perpetuity Cycle, also known as the three-body cycle. This model was developed by many top cryptographic mathematics experts and blockchain code technical elites in the world through actuarial refinement, combining a series of economic theories and complex mathematical models such as multilateral paradox, Metcalfe's law, etc. At the same time, taking blockchain intelligent contract as the carrier, it can be sustainable and sustainable. This will give users from the KOV network an unprecedented opportunity for great wealth. Any consumption or transaction in the KOV ecosystem that comes from the user network you are trying to build will reward you with digital assets you can't imagine through KID smart contracts. Anyone can create his own ecological network of intelligent payment through KOV and create his own kingdom of wealth. Now let's talk about traditional commercial trade. The key point of commodity trading is trust and payment. Before the advent of blockchain technology, trust and payment were all achieved through third-party institutions, governments, or banks, and ultimately operated in a centralized way. They were also faced with problems of data leakage and privacy security. In fact, breaches of private data of banks and third-party institutions are not uncommon. In addition, international trade and cross-border payment are faced with many complicated procedures and even frauds. Now, COVID-19 is still raging around the world, and many countries' economies are facing severe damage. The epidemic has accelerated the global challenge and the need for international trade cooperation. In fact, many international giants have begun to lay out the application of blockchain technology in international trade. For example, Ant Group from China released Trustable, an international trade service platform based on Ant-chain technology. Many other countries have also started issuing their own cryptocurrencies to break down trade and political barriers. Today, our new broadcast social chain will be an important exploration and milestone step in the integration of blockchain technology with traditional e-commerce. KOV Privacy Social Network does not involve any user privacy information because KYC authentication is not required. Meanwhile, all transactions are guaranteed by KOV Ecology's unique on-chain contract guarantee system. Contracts are laws that cannot be tampered with. Information is encrypted and secure, and fraud is eliminated, so all transactions can be conducted in a safe and orderly manner. Each user from KOV Ecology can create his own broadcast community mall with KID alone. All the users you invite to share the KOV ecosystem, as well as the network of contracts that the entire ecosystem has with you, will be a potentially large group of customers. Through the security, privacy, and fast payment features of XMR and KOV, the KOV Ecology can avoid complex systems and create more direct payment process between the payer and the payee, no matter it is domestic transfer or cross-border transfer. This method is characterized by low cost, high speed, and low handling fee. The third-party payment platform also has great commercial value. PayPal, Alipay, and other payment giants have created one business myth after another. Today, however, this opportunity is different. No matter how rich or poor you are, no matter your race or color, no matter whether you doubt or believe, the door of KOV's wealth and freedom is open to you. More than 50% of the revenue generated by our broadcast social chain system is returned to all KOV holders and promotional players in the community. Finally, we will talk about the future planning of KOV Ecology. In today's centralized financial system, recurring financial crises seem hard to avoid. Decentralized financial ecology is a crucial link in KOV Ecology. KOV will build a financial service ecosystem platform integrating infrastructure such as decentralized stable currency, decentralized exchange, lending, payment, token, market forecasting, asset management, and so on. At the same time, KOV will develop blockchain games to enhance social entertainment and interaction. In addition, mine is an important infrastructure link in the blockchain field, and KOV Ecology will integrate the current high-quality physical mine resources so that all KOV players can not only obtain KOV's mining income, but also obtain the mining dividend of current mainstream currency by pawning KOV. KOV paints a broader vision than capitalist liberalism and democracy. Decentralization to eliminate regulation, disintermediation to eliminate fees, distrust to eliminate dependence on relationships, anonymity to protect privacy. This is a truly subversive business practice and the remaking of a centralized society. It will lead mankind to the door of freedom, bring real spiritual freedom and wealth freedom to mankind.